Hi everyone, and welcome back to Rising After Ashes. So today, I've already actually been up this morning. It is currently 8:45 a.m. on a Sunday. I've already hiked Pfeiffer Nature Center on Lely Bridge Road in Portville, New York. And now we're back at Allegany State Park to do the Bear Paw Trail. I know the other day we did the Black Snake Trail. Today we're going to do the Bear Paw Trail. And it's a very misty and foggy day here at Allegany State Park. Temperatures are rising. It's supposed to be almost 55 degrees today, and it is supposed to rain. But this trail here is about 2.5 miles long, and we're going to go tackle it and get another trail done for the Western New York Hiking Challenge, the winter edition. I have already secured enough points to complete the challenge. I secured 51 points at the last trail, so just going to try to knock out all the, well, they're not extremely difficult, but the difficult trails on the list, and then kind of check them off as we go. So going to have some fun here today. And before we get going, I just wanted to remind everybody about safety when you're hiking with ticks. Especially here in the Northeast. I recommend anything like with permethrin in it. Definitely want to saturate your clothes, treat your clothes, your boots. Also check your body after you're done hiking. You typically within an hour after you're done hiking. Check your body, take a shower, launder your clothes, dry them on high. That'll get rid of any of the ticks that are in your clothes. And if you find a tick on you, try to get it off of you within the 24-hour period, because it's been known and proven that if you leave them on for more than 24 hours, then they can spew out their the bacteria into your bloodstream, and that's the risk of getting Lyme disease and other tick-borne diseases. But quickly, this is not a sponsored video. I just want to show you what I use. I do use permethrin on my clothing, but when I'm going out, I use this because I'm not typically a fan of chemicals on my skin, but this is a natural tick repellent. It's by Yaya Tick Ban. I will link this down in the description. But this is DEET-free, plant-based. They use essential oils. And I just spray this on my boots, on my calves, and then up my pant legs before I go out. And it seems to do a good job. And it actually smells good. It smells like a citrusy. I believe it has some thyme in it, thyme oil. So anyway, we'll get going here. And Bear Paw Trail in Allegany State Park. Thanks for watching, guys. a special little treat on this hike is we'll be hiking to the stone tower. So I'll show you guys that. We're not far away from it, but it should be coming up shortly. So let's carry on here. Of course, I didn't capture it on film, but right over there, a tree came down, fell. I heard it start to go, and of course I didn't have the other camera on, and it fell and went boom. So another thing to be cognizant of when you're hiking out here is just be careful and listen as you're hiking, because you never know when a tree can come down, and that would not be good if it landed on you, obviously. So we've made it to the stone tower. I'm on top of it right now. Of course, I picked a beautiful day to do this. On a nice day, you can see beautiful views down the valley there where you see the fog. And then if we turn around, the same thing on the other side. But of course, today is just a lovely day. But, you know, I have avoided hiking at times when it's like this, cold, rainy, wet. And, you know, sometimes you just got to get out in the world and experience it in all different ways, all different elements, all different seasons. So it's just beautiful up here.